In this video, we present you the Harol helmets in the configuration for non-invasive ventilation therapy. There are two models with two different accesses to the patient. The 1R model with porthole access to the patient, and the fast R model with zipper access to the patient. The helmets are made in PVC and are both latex-free and DHP-free. It is for a single patient use and non-sterile. The volume of the tent is around 11 liters, a small volume to enhance the synchronism with the ventilator. The helmet is equipped with a rigid ring to maintain the shape during the therapy. Weight is approximately 320 grams or 400 grams based on the model. The seal of the helmet is guaranteed by a soft and elastic silicone collar. It seals over the neck, so it is not necessary to pull too much the suspenders to guarantee a good tightness and synchronism with the ventilator. Moreover, if using the optional inflatable cushion, it is also possible to not use the suspenders. On the sides of the tent, there are two symmetric connections, both 22mm male inlet and outlet, conforming to ISO standards. On the lower part of the tent, there are two additional leak-tight accesses for the introduction of nasogastric tubes or straws for liquid feeding. Through this access, it is also possible to ventilate with a Y circuit and a catheter mount. It's sufficient to put the two provided caps on the side connectors and connect the catheter mount on the frontal access port. On the side of the band, you will find an access port for measuring PEP with a manometer or an external monitor to check the pressure. There are two models with two different ways of accessing the patient, the 1R model with an easy open porthole and the fast R model with a zipper. The zipper is convenient as it permits complete access to the patient. The zipper is also useful in an emergency if you wanted to intubate the patient without removing the helmet. Both models are equipped with a bidirectional anti-asphyxia valve that closes automatically when the helmet is pressurized and opens automatically if the internal pressure falls below 2 centimeters of water. The helmet is mounted on the patient with two padded suspender anchors, both equipped with quick coupling and release devices. The inflatable cushion has a double function. It enhances synchronism with the ventilator by reducing the total volume within the helmet and permits the use of the helmet without underarm suspenders. The porthole model 1R has an integrated non-removable cushion, which means you have to decide when purchasing if you want a model with integrated cushion or not. The zipper model Fast R on the other side has an optional and removable cushion, which can be removed or placed anytime during the therapy.